Okay, last time we talked about how to import data from an external file and transform it, which is cleaning it and arranging it nicely so that we can import it into Excel and view it nicely. And then further from this, I'm going to show you how to get a couple of answers from this data in what we call a pivot table. So quickly, we can see that these ones are correctly represented, but revenue, we last time we did fix the revenue, but now when you import it to Excel, what you need to look at is you highlight this. So we want now it to be a currency. The data type is a currency, but there is no comma values. So here you go to home and go to number and comma, put a comma. So we can also do this decimal, let's say 0 decimals, right? So this is looking nicely. How do you then push it to a pivot table? You select, just drag table. We can quickly press an area and see, oh, how many areas do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what type of revenue do we have? We can just push the revenue. And again, let's format, go to home and put a comma so that you can see. And if there's no zeros or cents there, I think there's no point, so we take them out. So next to the comma, it's either you take them, you decrease the decimal or increase the decimal. So let's decrease the decimal in this point, and you can see now the revenue is about 47. What is this? 47 billion, because this is million. Yeah, this is 47 billion, right? That's the revenue for Netflix, right? This was 20 version what from 2018, I think 2018, 2019, right? Okay, cool. But to check which year has performed better, right? What we can do that the when we press years, it's giving us wrong numbers because it's sum of the years, right? And you can see from your right hand side, it's saying sum of the years. So how you can solve this problem is maybe remove it and maybe click and drag it to the row and to paste it nicely, right? You can see here it shows then now 2018, 2019, 2020. How was the revenue for each country, right? Or for each region. So we can also expand this and look at quarter. So let's see if quarter we shape it and put it to columns, right? So quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four. Um, you've got a decent now pivot table on that data, on this data that you've got. Now you can start to sort of like understand it a bit more. That's what data science and analytics means. So we can move further, but for the purposes of this exercise, I just wanted to show you the basics of pivot tables and how you can restructure your data, because you can change even years you put them there, the structure is going to change. You put quarter on the other side, the structure is going to change depending how you want to visualize it.